our phone, I wish you my way you give my day. Working about TTI, the Million Speech and Prize Giving Day. Yawayama, what's here? I want to go to a 3 years program to recognition and air condition. Or you do some of them. Emma Mika say, we're talking about people of water. Many bands for departments have National Medical Center. And we will be here or coming on. Was where I check for Mr. Akon and Mr. Ibrahim. Many check people outside the departments. Me may, I mean, so far then, go to one church, our folk. This man was used for air conditioning in rack. The camera had online refrigeration and air conditioning. There were machines, there were 1 horsepower, there were 1.5 horsepower, there were 2 horsepower, there were 2.5 horsepower, there were 3 horsepower. It is do the man. There were my here, yet shall we make my and for going there 1.5 horsepower. Ah, oil media machine. Now, another day, let me make a change in Major Ama, school in Corman, with too much church, basement was installed air conditioning, or better tools I use, or better paper I use, or better more at I see my issue that mean for new part. Put in your winning ZB, basement was here then, wall installed air conditioning in rack. It means the major man student for our friend of getting pot of money. But you have a lot of the money.
So I think I can die. Let's have a review at the new year. This year, the vegetation I find for that install air conditioning. Yes, air conditioning. We actually again had a working drone and outdoor. It's a you really can install it indoor now. You need to check the link out to that about indoor. After checking the place, the data on the indoor unit, Samsung are installing later. The indoor percent of which age now. So they install the plate here, then we use the outdoor by connecting the copper pipes where we have 3/8 and quarter. It's remember when we choose an equipment I use for the installation of refrigeration and conditioning. Many kind of vacuum pump, gates, very gates. Village guys, solar. That's all I want. So when we them, it's a bit fast. 5 signal I want. Then now I'm on one. After we finish the new vacuum pump units and the and as a working count, it's maybe I will. My mama for the install the hour. What they
Now they are mounting the plate for the indoor.
You have to mount the plate so that it will go to the indoor.
Now the plate is well mounted. The indoor is now ready to be fixed on the plate. The The indoor is now mounted on the plate. As you can see, the pipe is being cut with a tube cutter. He is removing bearings from entering the pipe.
That the edge of the pipe that we are bearing would be what? Upside down, so that all the bearings will fall out but will not enter the what? The pipe. So that is the process that is carrying out.
This process is called flaring. The flaring process is done. Now they are bending the copper pipe. Now the copper pipe is well bent. Now they are connecting the pipe from the indoor unit to the outdoor unit.
So they are now done. They are now done with their coupling, that is tightening, and they are doing their designing. For every work that an engineer carries out, the designing of it would make people to either like the work of the engineer or dislike the work of the engineer. It's all about designing. So here we make sure that we design our pipes very well. So they are designing 2 by 3. Initially said we have your copper pipe on hydrogen using. We have
The pipes are well fixed. They are connecting the drainage pipe.
the diamond I did only village tree very fix on. Oshun na ye its name air condition Oshun ye everywhere conditioning. Go me back on there. Oshun my boy or when the project say water. Only thing you have air conditioning right. You Oshun everything na ye the way me now island why dry. So what he's doing now is making sure he gets his design right. Design why from here as in the of our phone fan chain they are one day and what she said. If you have time, when you school, what will painting? Until now, man, what do you want to paint? I'll buy our what they are making money. One with the man, one fan chain. Until I mean, we design a pipe, one man, the work, no better to wide and why catch attention? Why I felt because a technician, they, by one side, a human, the infant man, all the way that one way and made me. Officer, when you have use machine, one way to make me. I can already have pop lawyer and a basement lawyer and another. A share lawyer and I sell lawyer. Intina, all one lawyer, they didn't design obey and obey a fell.
They are connecting the pipes to the outdoor unit. They are done connecting the outdoor pipes. They are now working on the electrical connection of the indoor unit.
As you can see right now, the brown wire is for the line and the blue wire is going to the neutral, as I have demonstrated here. So this one is going straight to the 8. So this one is 8. So this white wire is going to the what?
Which wire is that?
It's going to the what?
Is it the return wire or which wire?
This one is the return.
Which one is the return?
Yeah, this one is the return wire. So it is going to this one.
Okay. So you make sure that the numbers, so which means that the numbers that we use here is the same numbers that we put here. Okay. So take conscious look at what? The colors.
They are done with the electrical connection of the indoor unit. They are now working on the electrical connection of the outdoor unit. The electrical connection of the outdoor unit is done. Installation of split-type air condition done.